Right now in this class, I go to the explanation about the tendency oxidized. So tendency oxidized means which can easily to lose of electron from the metal. That is the tendency oxidized means which is easily to remove electron from the outer shell. So that is the tendency oxidized means which having the more capacity for the loss of electrons. So that is a tendency of oxidized. So see here now in the front of a given order that is increasing order from the arum to lithium. When you grow from arum to lithium, the tendency oxidized increasing. So which is more oxidized? Lithium is the more oxidized than the all these cation, all these metal atoms and gases. So here to lithium is the more tendency of oxidized. It can be easily to lose of electron. So which is have the more tendency, the metal which having that tendency oxidized, it is act as anode. So what is that? Oxidized is, so the tendency which the metal which tendency is oxidized, it's act as anode. The tendency reduction, that metal is act as cathode. What is that? The metal is act as cathode. If the oxidized tendency, that is anode, the tendency it is reduction cathode. So it is act as a anode, then it is act as a cathode. So look at here. Now see in this previous galvanic cell, in that galvanic cell zinc is the oxidized, then the copper. So due to the tendency oxidized zinc is more than the copper. So zinc is more oxidized than the copper. So that's why zinc is the anode and the copper is the cathode. Here is the same now. The metal tendency oxidized, it is act as anode. The metal tendency reduction, it is act cathode. So that's why zinc is the anode, copper is the cathode. Look at here. This is the anode, this is the cathode. When it is anode, this is a cathode. When it is anode, this is the cathode. When it is anode, this is a cathode. When it is anode, this is a cathode. So when you go for the lithium to arum, reduction, so reduction tendency increasing from lithium to arum. Lithium to arum, reduction tendency. What is that? Reduction tendency increasing. What is increasing? Reduction tendency increasing. From arum to lithium, what is increasing? Oxidizing tendency is increasing. So means oxidizing tendency means it can be easily to remove the electron from the outer shell electron. So that is that metal is act as a anode which can gain of electron easily, that is act as a cathode. Now arum is the cathode. So lithium is the anode, arum is a cathode. Due to it is more tendency of oxidation, this is a more tendency of reduction. I think you understand now. Now when you remember this order, you can be easily to find out which is anode act, which is cathode act. So if it is anode acting, then after it is cathode. If it is anode, it is cathode. If it is anode, this is cathode. Look at here, zinc is maybe the anode, chromium is a cathode. If in case water is the anode, now in that case zinc is the cathode. If the manganese is the anode, zinc is the cathode. Aluminum is the anode, then the zinc is the cathode. So tendency, when you compare the tendency of oxidized, depend on the oxidized tendency and reduction tendency. So it is can be act as a anode, it can be act as a cathode. That is one. So here to I given here example, zinc tendency oxidized more than the copper. As here zinc is the more tendency oxidized, so that can easily to lose of electron than to the copper. So that's why it is act as a anode. Now copper compared to the tendency of oxidized, that is the less. So it is more. It is reducing. It is reduce means it is can be easily to gain the electron from the another one. So that's why copper is act as a cathode. Now look at here. Here one hydrogen is there now. Hydrogen electrode is there now. So see here, hydrogen is a gas. In that hydrogen electrode, hydrogen gas is to there. So here hydrogen electrode oxidized than the silver. Yes or no? So it is oxidized then silver. Silver is a less oxidizing. Which is more? Hydrogen is a more. Hydrogen is more oxidized than the silver. So it is act as a anode. Now silver act as a cathode. So hydrogen act as a anode. Silver is act as a cathode. So look at now see here. If the off cell connected with zinc off cell connected with the hydrogen electrode. Zinc is connected with the hydrogen electrode which is act as anode cathode. So look at here, if it here zinc and here is a hydrogen electrode. So when it is both are to connected, so which is act as a cathode, which is act as a anode. Now you tell me. So see here zinc. So zinc is the more oxidizing than the hydrogen. Yes or no? So zinc more oxidizing, that means it is anode. What is that? This is the anode. Now hydrogen are less oxidized than the zinc. So it is cathode. Now which is act as a anode? Zinc is act as a anode, hydrogen act as a cathode. So simple. From this order you can be easily to find out. So what it is in the given cell reaction in the cell. So which is act as a anode, which is act as a cathode, you can be easily find out from this the order. So simple. First it is the oxidizing more, then this one. So it is act as a anode, it is act as a cathode. If it is anode, it is cathode. If it is anode, this is a cathode. If it is anode, this is a cathode. Simple. So zinc is the more oxidizing than the hydrogen. That's why this is the tendency is more oxidizing, so it is anode. Hydrogen is less tendency oxidizing, that's why it is a cathode. Now compare here hydrogen and copper. If it is the copper here there and hydrogen electrode, when you connect these two electrode, which is active anode in that. So see here hydrogen is a more oxidizing tendency than the copper. So hydrogen is the anode. Yes or no? Hydrogen is the anode. Now copper tendency oxidized, then compared to the hydrogen less. So it is cathode. So simple, we can from this order you can be easily to find out which is anode, which is cathode. I hope you understand. Now see here zinc is the anode, hydrogen electrode is the cathode due to what is that? Due to tendency oxidized. So tendency oxidized, which is having more tendency is more oxidizing, that is act as a anode. Okay, simple.